going to do?
Mark, would you be able to do 1 million straight equity for 4.5%?
I'd go 5.5% is my lowest. I'm not cheap. I'm worth it, guys.
5%. 1 million equity for 5%. With the other partners, we kind of set the parameters. I just don't know what's going to happen if we, that's honestly.
All right, I'll do 5%.
Yes! Yes!
Only because of those other partners.
Thank you guys so much.